Hi quilting friends, today I am quilting a quilt and I wanted to show you one of my favorite quilting motifs that I do. I call it balls on strings. I don't know what other people call it, but anyway, I've got my feed dogs dropped so they're not going to be grabbing my fabric, and I've got this free motion foot on my machine. So we'll get started. Okay, so I have my presser foot down and my needle is down. And I'm going to just take a few stitches in a straight line, do a circle, and then continue halfway around the circle and then go down and create another line. Okay, I'm going to try going back the other way because I'm sort of getting a bit of a lump here where it joins up with another section I've already quilted. So I want to try and smooth that out. So I'm going to try going the other way, which I prefer to go from top to bottom, but we'll try this. So I'm going to go past the first circle that I had there, this circle here, and make another circle. And then continue past the next circle and then make another circle here. And then just stop at the border. And I'll get the camera and get you a little closer here to see this. Okay, so you just sort of alternate the circles on your quilt top. And this is a pretty easy way to fill up a lot of space with some quilting without taking forever. I'll show you another quilt that I just finished recently that has this same motif on it. So I've just done the entire quilt top with this balls on string motif. I think I got the whole quilt done in about 3 hours. 3 or 4. I think it was about 3. And so yeah, you can get a lot of space covered in not too much time. This is the Meadowland quilt. You can see it on my Instagram account, the whole quilt. I'm Daydreams of Quilts on Instagram as well. So give it a try and tag me on your finished quilt so I can see how it worked out. And the fabrics in this quilt, by the way, are all from the Uppercase fabric line, the first one that came out by Janine Van Gool. And yes, happy quilting, and please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can see all of my videos when they go up. Thank you.